Yep, there we go. So I've ordered more primer, and I knew I was low on the stuff, but I didn't realize how low. I had just enough to barely do 2 Fenders worth. So a little bit of work and a little bit of a fold right there, no big deal. I know I oversprayed that on purpose. But the overdo, I don't know, it looks good. I'm not unhappy with how it turned out on this one. There's a dimple right there, and I'm going to say, fuck it, I'm going to live with it. I oversprayed that as well, so I may be able to level it out just a little bit. But again, I'm to a point where I'm not making a Pebble Beach Concourse Perfection Queen. I'm going to drive the damn thing, so. I've got little nibs, that's normal. Got a little nib right there. I'll sand that down. And not too displeased. The lighting isn't great, isn't fantastic, so it looks like it's got some concavity here in the screen, but maybe it doesn't with you, but it does with me. I've done a lot of overspray on this one too, so I've got a little bit to work with up in there. All I'm going to do is take 320 and maybe 400 grit sandpaper and get this down, get everything I'm painting, respraying, up down to a nice level surface, and then I'm going to call it a day, and I'll sort my basement until it's time to get everything done. Next will be, of course, the fenders, the rear fenders, and my Sebring valence thing. I did take some time to put this in the light. I got the garage door open to kind of air my my garage out, but it's actually not too bad. Let me see what the temperature is in here. 55. That's not bad. Anyway, here's my Sebring valence. I've kind of evened out, flattened out some of this stuff here too. And I have scuffed the ever-living shit out of this thing. Got a little bit of work there to do. So I can tell you for a fact that my damn primer will stick to it. I don't know how... What comes to mind is how this stuff will harden, how the primer that I'm using is going to harden, whether it's flexible or not. And this is definitely a flexible piece. It's not necessarily designed to be, but anyway, you can see to even things out. Looks a little bit like a BMW, which I didn't intend, but yeah, that's alright. It'll look alright once the screen and everything else is in. And got a little bit of evening out to do there too. Yeah, I guess I missed that. But once I get my resin, I've got so I ordered my stuff. I've got the hardener, but the high build stuff comes tomorrow, so I'll be getting back into it. Oh fuck, no, I can't tomorrow. What I can do, maybe, is hose this thing down. Even that'll take a while. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, gonna have to be. We'll see how it goes.